What does it mean to live life to the fullest?
We decided to quit our jobs and dedicate our life full time to this because we kept on hearing these beautiful life quotes and ways on how we're supposed to live our life, but it's not about knowing all of this, because that's actually the easy part. The hard part is actually putting this into practice, taking the time to do it.
And the things that we've already learned about coming alive is that it's all related to connection. And in the first place, that's a connection to our core selves, who we truly are, and to the potential that we all have within us that's waiting for us to tap into it. And secondly, it's a connection we have to each other, to other people. Because the more authentic our interactions are, the more we create this beautiful support system that we all need in life.
That's why we decided, let's go and explore this around the world. So in April, we're leaving for Costa Rica, then we'll be traveling to the United States, then we'll be traveling to Spain, all over Europe, and we'll end 2018 in Asia. We want to facilitate experiences around the world where people can truly unleash their potential. We want to create these moments where time is spent on life.
And a first place where you can do this with us is in Costa Rica, because the first week of May we'll be creating a retreat there. We'll be surrounded by gorgeous nature, and we'll do exactly what we talked about before. We'll take time to connect to ourselves and to connect to each other and to make us come alive.
Another thing that we'll be doing along our travels is, in every place that we'll go, we'll organize workshops. So you can maybe invite us or maybe join us on one of those workshops along the way. And we look forward to this. It can be as easy as in your living room. It doesn't need to be hard, just contact us.
Yeah. And another thing is you can follow us on this YouTube channel. This is where we'll be sharing everything that we go through, the people that we meet, the great people that we want to share with you, and also just our personal journey, because this is very new for us. It's also very vulnerable because we're trying out a lot of things that we're still discovering, and I feel that's a beautiful process to just share with all of you.
Yeah, I can't wait to experience this with all of you. So let us know, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Yeah, reach out if you're interested.
Bye, friends.
Bye.